Okay, welcome back to the class. So we move on to the jobs framework for innovation. So here is the five interconnected principles. So let me show you how jobs five philosophies work together. So at the center, a belief that you can change the world. So this core belief powers everything else. So curiosity with intent. So explore what's possible. And original perspective sees solutions, other misses. So this is the key points, not only for the solutions, others misses. And customer ovation ensure you are solving real problems. Ensure solving real problems. And last, uncompromising standards ensure your solution is great. So I'm gonna write one word, great. So these five principles are not separate, they reinforce each other. Okay, so here's discuss the questions, but we are gonna skip it. So we are going to move on to part 6. I'm gonna give the key summary for the Steve Jobs 5 philosophy. Okay, so I'm gonna erase it first. Erase it. So here is the key concepts for the Jobs 5 philosophy. So philosophy number 1, what is that? Believe you can change the world, right? This one. So everything was created by ordinary people, including you. So you have the power to influence and improve the world. Technology should serve humanity. So number 2 is what is that? Curiosity with intent. So explore many fields widely. Widely. And focus on what has real potential. Oh, I missed it. Potential. Potential. And execute on productive ideas. And number 3, original perspective. So finding insight in chaos. Finding insights. Where? In chaos. And reject conventional wisdom. And see possibility, other misses. See possibility, other misses. So the important point, interesting point is what? Other miss. And number 4 is customer ovation. So understand the customer deeply, not superficially, and anticipate on unstead needs and create delightful experiences. And number 5, compromise standards. So good enough is not good enough. Good is not good enough. Always great. So aim for what? Insanely great. So this word is the most uh, important key words for Jobs philosophy. Okay, so we have some polls. So think about it. So just 5 principles. So which one resonated most with you? So which one do you find most challenging? So if you have enough time, just write down and just keep in mind. Okay, so we are move on to part 6. We are almost done for the chapter 7. Finally, it's quite a long chapter, isn't it? So part 6 is comparative analysis. So common thread across all 4 leaders. Here is the typo again. His name is Yuiran actually. So we have now studied for entrepreneurs, Jung Ju-young, Lee Byung-chul, Yuiran, jobs. So different eras, different cultures, different industry, all right? But they have the same feature. All entrepreneur, what I explained it on chapter 7, so they have a challenge status quo and long-term vision, quality focus, people development, calculated risk taking. So even they are living in different culture, different era, and they develop different products, but they have the same principles as well. So they share these 5 principles. So this test was something profound. There are universal principles of entrepreneurship that transcend time, culture, and industry itself. And we are moving on the cultural context matter, but core values are universal. So on the offline lectures, maybe first offline the offline lectures, I already explained it for the cultural differences, and also if you don't know the cultural differences and also don't learn for it, I'm gonna explain it later, so don't be afraid and don't worry about it. So just wait for it. It's quite an interesting topic. Anyway, so now the application of this principle looked different. So Korean entrepreneurs, Jung Ju-young, Lee Byung-chul, and Dr. Yu Il-han, so focus post-war reconstruction, national development, the style collective prosperity, and building industrial foundation, and their goal is economic independence for the nation. And American entrepreneurs focus technology revolution, individual empowerment, style is user experiences, and creative innovation, and their goal is empower individuals through technology. But as I said upward, so they share the core values of vision, courage, excellence. The vision means that seeing what could be, and courage, acting despite uncertainty, and excellence, refusing to compromise on quality. Okay, so the key insight, here's the key insight from the lecture. So you don't need to be in a specific time, place, or industry to apply this principle. So whether you are starting a company in Silicon Valley, working at an NGO in Africa, managing a team in a corporation, planning your career as a recent graduate, as working on a class project as a student. So these principle works because they are not about specific business tactics. They are about a mindset, a way of seeing problems, taking action, pursuing excellence, creating value. Okay, so here is a rebel reflection. It's maybe I said several times. So the entrepreneur mindset framework based on our four leaders: vision, courage, focus, standards, learning, service. Is that. Okay, so I prepare for the key takeaways for your career. So let me give you specific practical takeaways so you can use immediately. So from Jung Ju Young case, challenge convention but calculate risks, which means that before saying it can't be done, but ask, have I actually tried? And do your homework, then act boldly, please. And invest yourself, develop deep, inspire, live your case. Spend 80% of your energy becoming excellent at something valuable. And your skills are your greatest asset. And from Dr. Yu Ilhan's case, define your purpose beyond profit. What problem do you want to solve? How can you serve others while sustaining yourself? And from Steve Jobs' case, think different, bring your unique perspective. Don't follow the crowd. Your different viewpoint is valuable. So from all four, set high standards for everything you do. So your work is your reputation. Okay? This is really important. And excellence compounds over time. Okay, so actually I prepare more things. So we are going to skip it. Okay, so it's all things about the chapter 7. Thank you for listening. So we are going to meet again on chapter 8. Thank you.